Ever wondered if you could bend water without touching it? Let's discover how. Today, we delve into the curious world of static electricity and its surprising effect on water. Imagine a plastic comb, a simple woolen cloth, and a faucet running a thin stream of water. By rubbing the comb with the woolen cloth, you charge it with static electricity. This invisible force then has the power to pull the stream of water towards the comb, almost as if by magic. Get ready to see the unseen forces at work. Do raisins dance? Let's find out with a simple kitchen experiment. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of buoyancy and carbonation. To get started, you'll need just two things: a clear soda, like Sprite or club soda, and a handful of raisins. First, fill a glass nearly to the brim with your soda of choice. Next, gently drop a few raisins into the glass. Now here's where the magic happens. As the raisins sink, they begin to collect tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide, the same gas that gives sodas their fizz. These bubbles act like little life jackets, lifting the raisins back to the surface. Once they reach the top, the bubbles pop, and the raisins sink again, creating a delightful dance. Watch as these tiny dancers come to life in a glass of soda. Imagine sending secret messages that only you can read. Ready to play spy? Today we're diving into the world of invisible ink, a fantastic example of an acid-base reaction right at your fingertips. For this experiment, you'll need some simple household items: lemon juice, a cotton swab, a sheet of white paper, and a heat source, such as a lamp or a hairdryer. Here's what to do. Dip the cotton swab into lemon juice and use it to write a message on the paper. Allow your secret writing to dry completely, which might take a few minutes. Once it's invisible, hold the paper near your heat source. Watch as your hidden message magically reappears, brown and readable. Now you're ready to send secret messages no one else can see. Science is not just facts, it's a thrilling adventure you can explore from your home. Today, we've seen some pretty incredible demonstrations of what might seem like magic, but are actually fundamental scientific principles at play. First, we explored how water can seemingly defy gravity. By using a simple balloon and a bit of static electricity, we bent water. This experiment shows how static electrical charges can influence water molecules, which are naturally polar and can be attracted to charged objects. Next, we witnessed the whimsical dance of raisins in a glass of soda. This delightful display was not just for entertainment, but to illustrate the concept of buoyancy and carbonation. The carbon dioxide bubbles in the soda attach to the rough surface of the raisins, lifting them because of the gas's lower density compared to the liquid. And who could forget writing secret messages with lemon juice? Using invisible ink, we delved into acid-base reactions, revealing how substances can interact differently when exposed to heat. Challenge your curiosity and try these experiments at home. Share your discoveries and keep exploring the wonders of science.